our Sautee, turkey, mushrooms, and all the veggies are ready for us to be enjoyed. Oh, look at that. Super yum. And I'm going to add cheese. And let's have, this is jack cheese, Colby jack cheese. And we're going to add it here, just like so. And we're going to mix them well. And oh my goodness, I wish you're all here with me so you could enjoy this all together. Come on, eat. So yummy. And we are going to scoop in our turkey mushroom Sautee with cheese, called the jack cheese. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. And we're going to our table slowly because it's hot, super hot. And we have our cheese there as well. And I'm just going to smother. Look at that. So yummy and steaming hot. Look at that. Just going to pour in wherever it goes. We're gonna enjoy this all together. Oh my, and then the cheese there, right there. Oh my, come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. And we're going to squeeze in a little bit of lemon for some kick. And today we're going to enjoy this with red wine, alcohol removed wine. And this is Marla from California Vineyards. And I'm inviting you all. Here is your glass of red wine. Cheers for Happy New Year 2026 and moving forward. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2026 onwards to you and me and all of us. Enjoy with long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love and light to us all forevermore. All right. Now we are going to bless our food, of course. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and JuanitaGutierrez.com. Our camera has missed because this lots of misty steam because of it's hot, hot, hot. Now we're going to bless our food. Our beloved parents and grandparents say it's so important to bless our food first. Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought for above self-sustain. And so it is done. Beloved, I am. Excuse me, please. Beloved, I am. And that's my I Am God book, written by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED and MSED, at my website, juanitagutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED and MSED.com. And we are surrounded by my 22 books. Yes, you will notice that. How to discern if God calls you to monastery life, and that's the Rose and the Chuma, and I travel to Mexico. And can't wait. Come on and eat. Let's enjoy this hour together. We are ready. Bless our food. Excuse me, please. And now, I'm giving you the knife, the fork, excuse me, please, and the spoon. All right, let's start with, let's see here. For you and me and all of us, mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Yum. Mmm. And let's have carrots, full of nutrition. For you and me and all of us. Mm-hmm. This is garlic. Give me please. The turkey meat. For you and me and all of us. Yum. Mm-hmm. And let's have some rice because the Philippines love rice. I grew up eating rice as well. And let's have the rice and the tomato and the Colby cheese for you and me and all of us. Look at that. Mmm. Super delicious. You're gonna love this as I do. For you and me and all of us. Carrot. Mmm. Oh my goodness. This is super yum. I want to have more. Mushroom. The cheese really mixed very well with the veggies and the mushrooms and the cheese. Now, let's have the alcohol removed red wine for you and me and all of us. Excuse me, please. Cheers for long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness. This Christmas, Happy New Year 2026 and moving forward. Enjoy. Yeah. Wow. You're gonna love this as I do. Cheers. Cheers to happiest of New Year 2026 onwards. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy birthday, Happy wedding, Happy graduation. All days are holy days, according to the angels, so we enjoy. Wabi. Really, really good. Oh my goodness. You're gonna love this as I do. Full of nutritious, good, heavenly taste. Sautee, mushrooms, with cheese, and all the veggies, the turnips, sautee with garlic, onions, and lots of veggies and spices, and Colby Jack cheese. Oh my goodness, excuse me please. This is super yum. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. In Tagalog, kain na po tayo. Napakasarap. In Tagalog, super delicious. Come on and eat. Happy cooking. In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. And enjoy the delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez. And there's her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes available worldwide at Amazon, at Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. That means you could upload my mom's cookbook quickly in minutes in your computer. And all my 22 books, yes, 22, are also available worldwide at my two websites, JuanitaGutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED.com. Come on and eat. Oh my. This is inviting you to dine and enjoy and eat. Yummiest. The jasmine aromatic rice. And I'm inviting you all. Happy cooking. You're gonna love this as I do. Wabi. In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Happy cooking. Steaming hot. Wow. You're gonna love this as I do. Enjoy, and thank you all so very much to all my wonderful subscribers. Excuse me, please. Those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And let me stabilize my camera so that we could say thank you to all our wonderful subscribers. Those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And you could get 10% discount by using my name, Juanita, if you would like to order All-Para Seafoods at www.allparaseafood.com online, or you could call them here in New York City over the phone, 1-833-GOT-CRAB. Thank you for your support. Enjoy. Happy cooking. Look at that. Super delicious. You're gonna love this as I do. Enjoy. Thank you very much for all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe so that you can be updated in all my video uploads. Wowie. Happy cooking. Yum.